I miss you every day. Good morning, YouTube. Alain back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Today is indeed Thursday, October 10th, 2019, and it has been approximately 4 months since we brought you guys our last video update on our Pinecone Shampoo Ginger here in our front yard. I'm going to flip this camera around for you guys right now, take a walk over to that planter and show you guys exactly what has happened with our Pinecone Shampoo Ginger in the past 4 months. Take a look at this, YouTube. All right, YouTube. Let's take a walk over here and look at this planter. We have our Pinecone Shampoo Ginger planted. And yeah, take a look at that, YouTube. We have a small forest of Pinecone Shampoo Ginger here in our planter. If you recall from our very first video on this planter, we had 2 canes come up originally. And we thought that we had lost our Pinecone Shampoo Ginger because we had a hard winter last year and a lot of our perennials did not come back. A lot of our perennials actually died from the frost last year, and we thought that we had lost our shampoo ginger as well. It came up a lot later than we normally see it come up here. We thought that we had lost it, but indeed it did hang on and came up. And if you recall from that very first video, we had 2 canes over there on that side of the planter over there. We first brought you our first video on our Pinecone Shampoo Ginger. We now have a total of about 24 to 25 canes in this planter. When we originally planted our Pinecone Shampoo Ginger here, we got 1 rhizome from one of our friends down the road down there, Miss Cynthia, who's always so generous to us here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. She's always giving us flowers or seeds or something. Thanks, Miss Cynthia. At any rate, we planted that rhizome right here in the very center of where this planter is currently located at. And as you can see, our ginger has really spread out. We have rhizomes all over. Everywhere you see a cane coming up, there's a rhizome below the soil there. So, yeah, I'm gonna take a step back, see if I can give you guys a better look at what our shampoo ginger is looking like at this point. Has it really taken off or what, YouTube? We have a virtual small forest of Pinecone Shampoo Ginger right here in our front yard at this point. I'm not sure why it hasn't blossomed already. Typically by this point in the year, we already have several pinecone shaped blossoms there in the planter, and we don't have that this year for some reason. Maybe it won't blossom at all this year, and if it doesn't, that's fine. But what we do plan on doing at the end of the season, once it dies back, we're going to come out here, we're going to dig up all of our rhizomes, and we're going to plant this in a more shady location. One thing that we did notice is that we did get some sunburn damage on some of our leaves here this year during that the drought and the heat wave that we had. We did have a few leaves that got burnt on the tips. That's okay. Our plants are still doing well, but we will be digging up all of these rhizomes at the end of the season and planting them somewhere over there in the Easley Island area over there, somewhere where they'll be in the partial shade. They won't have to deal with the full effect of the sun here, because this spot gets 10 to 12 hours of direct sunlight during the spring and summer months here, and it gets really hot out here. There's no shade. Temperatures are really blistering out here. So again, we're going to move our shampoo ginger rhizomes from here over there somewhere near Easley Island, somewhere over there in that area, on that side of our yard where we know they'll be in the shade. And we will indeed bring you guys back for that video when we just get ready to do that and show you exactly how many rhizomes we have beneath our shampoo ginger compared to the 1 rhizome that we originally planted here about 2.5 years ago. At any rate, YouTube, thanks for watching. And if you currently are indeed watching this video, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family if you don't mind. Thanks. We really would appreciate it. this lifetime, Daddy, I have made you proud.